Hello and welcome to this fast activity brought to you by Central Northern Regional Libraries. My name is Julian and today we are going to make these incredible illusions. To do this you are going to need some paper, textures or pencils, some scissors, some glue and some tape. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is get your design on your sheet of paper or thin cardboard or whatever you're going to use. The link to the template is in the description. If you have a printer, you can print it out. However, I'm going to put it on the screen now and you can just put your sheet of paper up to the screen and trace over the image. Okay, so we're going to do this one first. And as you can see, the cube looks a bit strange. It's a bit skewed. It's a bit out of shape. But that's okay, because you'll see later when we look at it from a certain angle, it'll look like it's an actual 3D cube. So the first thing we're going to do is color it in. Now, if you've printed on thin cardboard, you can use textures. However, if you've got paper, the textures can make it a bit warped and uneven. So I'm going to use pencils. And I'm just going to color it in. All right, that looks pretty good. So now we need to cut it out. Now when we cut it out, we have to cut including that template we've got there, that dotted line. So you want to cut all the way around across there, leave this bit of paper. And we want to cut nice and close in on the cube here. Okay, let's do it. And there we go. Now we can try out the illusion. Okay, so we can see it looks a bit strange at the moment, but if you look down at a certain angle, you can see, if I get the right angle here, you can see it looks like an actual cube. And then if we turn the paper, creates an illusion. Okay, with this one, it's a different type of illusion. But the same thing, we're just going to color it in with pencils or textures. The template for this illusion is available in the video description. However, I'll leave this image up on the screen so you can trace it if you need to. Now with this one, it helps to match up the cubes the sides. So if we match these colors along here, these colors along here, and these colors here, I'll show you what I mean. So now see how I've matched the colors along here? So there's going to be a fold there, and there's going to be a fold here, and these colors match. And then these colors here also match when they're going to be folded together. So as long as you do a pattern similar to the colors I've done here, you should be all good. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to cut nice and tight in on the cube, around this dotted line, and then also up here. All right, that looks good. Now we're going to fold it up. So if we fold along here, all right, and also along here, like that, and along here. All right, and now this one goes underneath this one here, and we're going to glue it together like that. Just like that. Now it helps with this one if you actually fold in these a bit like that, so the corners go in a bit. You'll see why in a minute. And now we're going to tape a pencil onto the end, and it makes the illusion look a bit better, you'll see. So we're just going to put some tape here. Put the pencil on the end. All right. And some tape on the other side. Like that. Now let's have a look at this illusion. So now that looks pretty cool. You can see if I move it, it looks really strange. And have fun. See you later.
Today I'm going to show you how to craft beautiful rope vases to make your home look amazing or to give away as a fantastic gift. First of all, we're going to have to drink a lot of soda. For this workshop you only really need 3 things. Empty soda bottle, which could be any fizzy of your choice, a pair of scissors, and some kind of string or cord.